Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me?
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good
Good morning,
morning.
sir.
Okay, very good morning. Very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Morning, sir.
All of you switch on your camera. All of you switch on your camera.
Yes, sir. Come in exam, sir.
Yes.
Good
three
morning,
chapters,
sir.
definitely 3 chapters which I have taught you. 3 chapters which I have taught you. Okay.
गरम नहीं है ना? इस शब्द लर्निंग बहुत गरम है। अरे 2020 में थी।
3 chapters which
सर
I have
एग्जाम में कितना चैप्टर आ रहा है?
Just mute yourself. I will tell you commonly. Okay. I will tell you commonly.
Which chapter you have
I will tell you
come in the
commonly.
exam? Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Okay, very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
सर आपका आवाज थोड़ा साफ नहीं आ रहा है।
हाँ? क्या नहीं आ रहा है?
आपका आवाज थोड़ा साफ नहीं आ रहा है।
म्यूट करोगी तब ना तुम्हारा साफ आएगा आवाज। म्यूट योरसेल्फ।
सर आपका
आ जाएगा सर। Now I hope my voice is clear to you. Okay. Now I hope my voice is clear to you. Is it clear? Answer it in chat mode, Ansika. Is it clear? Answer it in chat mode, Ansika. Okay. So what we were learning yesterday? I think we were learning yesterday. We were learning yesterday about. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Can you hear me, everybody? So we were saying yesterday that plant reproduce by the two means. Okay, we were saying yesterday that plant reproduce by two means. Okay, one through the seed and second by the vegetative part. Okay, so we were saying yesterday that plant reproduce. Let's come to the board part. On board we will discuss all these things. And meanwhile, I will request you all to keep your. Okay, so what we have seen yesterday, plant reproduce by two ways. Plant reproduce by two ways. Okay, plant reproduce by two ways. Okay, one of the way for the reproduction of plant, we will see here both. Okay. Okay. Next. First one is through seed. Okay, through seed. And second one is first one is through seed, and second one is through vegetative part. Okay, vegetative part like root, stem, flower, like root, stem, etc. Like root and stem. Okay, like root, stem. Here we can add one more leaf. Okay, so after this, now after this we will see proceeds. We will see now. Can anybody tell me what are the part of the plant? What are the vegetative part of the plant? Okay, following are the vegetative part of plant. That who will say? Oh my God, vegetative. Let's see here. Following are the vegetative part of a plant. Following are the vegetative part of plant. Okay. Following are the vegetative. Now, you can tell me in the chat mode what are the vegetative part of the plant. It is underground stem, underground stem, root, and leaves. Okay, leaves. These are leaves. Okay, so these are the vegetative part of the plant. Flower will not be considered, flower and fruit, because these are the gametic part, reproductive part. Now we will see the examples. Okay, so can anybody tell me the examples? Raise your hand. Can anybody tell? Okay. Okay, I can see many have raised their hand. Okay, Ansika, unmute yourself.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, reproduction through underground stems, banana, ginger, and potato.
Okay, banana, ginger, and
sir,
potato.
banana का spelling गलती है.
Oh, BANANA, banana, ginger, and potato. Okay, these are they reproduce through the underground stem. Now, anybody else who wishes to answer? Anybody else? Okay, Ansika, you mute yourself. I will give the chance to other now. Okay, please raise your hand. I will see.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Aniket Kumar, unmute yourself. Aniket, no, sorry, it is Apurv. You say? Apurv, you say? Apurv. Unmute yourself, Apurv. Okay, Manya, you say? Manya?
Yes, sir.
Tell me the name of the plant which reproduce through the stem. Tell me the name of plant which. Please mute yourself. Listen me. देखो जिसके तरफ से आवाज आएगा उसको हम हटा देंगे. मैं अब से मेरा नियम बहुत टाइट होगा. जिसके तरफ से आवाज आएगा हम उसको हटा देंगे 10 मिनट के लिए. चलो स्टेम. Name the plant which reproduce through stem. Okay, Manya, I was asking to you. Apurv, can you answer? I'm not getting your voice. Okay, it's not Apurv. Okay, Gyansu. Okay, Gyansu, unmute yourself. Gyansu, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Name the plant which reproduce through a stem.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato. Okay, very good. Sweet potato. Okay. Now, Arpita, mute yourself. Arpita, unmute yourself. Arpita, unmute yourself. Arpita, unmute yourself. Arpita. Soumya, unmute yourself. Soumya nahi, Shubham Kumar. Shubham Kumar, unmute yourself. Shubham, unmute yourself. Shubham and Priyanshu.
Yes, sir.
Shubham and Priyanshu.
Sir.
Unmute. Tell me, name the plant.
Underground stem is underground.
I have not heard your answer. Please repeat once again. I have not
Sir,
heard.
underground stem में.
Sir,
underground stem.
You answer it in the chat.
Banana.
Okay. Next. And what about leaves? Now tell me about the root. Who will say about root? Who will say about root? Root. Spelling problem. Who will say about root? Let me see from here. Okay. Tell me. Now I am unmuting Dibya. Dibya, unmute yourself. Dibya.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me. Tell the name of the plant which reproduce through underground stem.
Dahlia and asparagus.
Dahlia
and sweet potato.
Dahlia and sweet potato. Okay. So Dahlia and sweet potato, they reproduce through Dahlia
root.
and okay. Dahlia and sweet potato, they reproduce through root. Next. Okay. Mute yourself, Dibya. Now Aryan Bhadani, unmute yourself. Aryan Bhadani, unmute yourself. I will give chance to everybody. Aryan Bhadani, unmute yourself. 3 times I will speak, not more than this. Who is this? Aryan Bhadani, unmute yourself. If not responded, let it be. Now Priyansi Kumari, unmute yourself. Priyansi,
Yes,
unmute
sir.
yourself. Yes. Now tell me the name of those plants which reproduce through. Tell me the name of those plants which reproduce through root. Root. Which reproduce.
Dahlia and asparagus.
Okay. Thank you. Now next, Aryan Gupta, unmute yourself. Aryan Gupta, unmute. Aryan Gupta, unmute yourself. Okay, can you hear me,
Yes,
Aryan Gupta? Yes, you tell me the name
Yes,
of
sir.
name of the plant which reproduce by cutting a stem. Name the plant which reproduce by cutting a stem. Name the plant which reproduce by
Sir,
cutting.
rose.
Yes, rose. Rose and okay. Next to rose, it is money plants. Okay. I hope all of you have understood it. Now, okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you mute yourself and down you lower your hands. Now let's see. This is in the okay. Name one plant which reproduce through the following. Here is question before you, and I have discussed it. Okay, I have discussed it. Okay, now okay, and next we will come. Next topic, come here, and next topic we see one we have seen the through the vegetative part. I hope you have understood this thing. Okay, this is through the vegetative part. Okay, and now we will see this reproduction through the seeds. Under this now here the seed. What is seed? Seed is a part of seed is a seed is a part of fruit. Seed is a part of fruit which which is planted in. Seed is a part of fruit which is planted in. Seed is a part of fruit which is planted in soil, and new plant comes from it. Okay, now then we have the question, what is dispersal of seed? Then we have a question, dispersal of seed. Okay, then we have a question here, what is dispersal of seed? Ansika, you want to say something? Unmute yourself. Ansika,
Yes, sir.
you want to say something?
सर सीट का डिफाइन कर सकते हैं?
बोले ना, seed is a part of fruit. Seed is a part of fruit from which a baby plant comes out of it. Okay, I hope you have understood. हाँ,
सर ब्रायोफाइलम कहाँ मिलता है ज्यादातर?
Bryophyllum is found in your school also. It is present in your school also. We will talk it. Wait. Then Shubham, unmute yourself. Shubham, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
So what is dispersal of seed? What is dispersal of seed? Dispersal means a scattered. Okay, dispersal means a scattered. Okay, dispersal, meaning of dispersal is a scattered. Meaning of dispersal is a scattering. Yes. Meaning of dispersal is a scattered. Okay, means we can say dispersal of seed means. Shubham Kumar, what happened to you? Tell me, Shubham. Shubham, tell me why you have raised your hand. Okay. Next, dispersal of seed means a scattering of seed. A scattering of seed through air. Mute yourself. Priyansi, mute yourself. Shubham, mute yourself. Through air. What? Mute yourself, Shubham. Shubham, mute yourself. Shubham Kumar, mute yourself. Then the scattering of seed through air, water, insects, air, water, insect is called dispersal. Dispersal of seed. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. What do you understand by dispersal of seed? A scattering of seed. Okay, so dispersal of seed means a scattering of seed. Okay, you will see here what is dispersal of seed. Dispersal of seed means it is the process of a scattering of seed. Okay, it is process of scattering. Now question arises, what are the agent of dispersal or how seed get dispersed? Then here we have the answer. Dispersal of seed can be through air, water, birds and insects. Now you have to tell the name of the plant in which dispersal by air takes place. Now you will raise your hand. Dispersal by air. Okay, dispersal by air and dispersal by water. Okay, dispersal by air and dispersal by water. Raise your hands. Okay, apart from Ansika and Apurv. Apart from this Ansika and Apurv, anybody else? Okay. Om Sarkar, unmute yourself. Om Sarkar.
यस सर सर डिस्पर्सल बाय एयर हो गया डंडलियन मदार हैप्टेग
Dandeliya and Madar. Okay, dispersal Dandeliya and Madar. Have you seen the Madar tree?
सर डिस्पर्सल बाय
Have you seen Madar tree?
डिस्पर्सल बाय वाटर
Wait, listen me. What I
Yes,
am
sir.
asking. Have you seen Madar tree? Madar?
यस सर
Where it? Have you seen Madar tree? You will tell me its common
Yes, sir.
name. You will tell me its common name. बोलो क्या उसको कहते हैं? मंदार पुष्प बहुत पुष्प सुपूजिताय तस्मै मकराय नमः शिवाय। मंदार, अभी सावन का महीना चल रहा है, शंकर भगवान को सबसे ज्यादा प्रिय है मदार का फूल। मदार का फूल जिसको हम लोग अकमन का फूल भी कहते हैं। ठीक है, क्या कहते हैं? अकमन। अकमन देखे हो? पूजा वूजा किया है कोई सुबह में? आज शंकर भगवान को पूजा करते हैं तो अकमन चढ़ाते हैं ना, अकमन का फूल, तो उसी को कहते हैं मदार। ठीक है, नया। चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। टेल मी द डिस्पर्सल थ्रू वाटर। ए लड़का, वेयर यू आर सीइंग? उत्सव कुमार, क्लास 5 सेक्शन सी। उत्सव वेयर? वेयर यू आर सीइंग उत्सव? अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ उत्सव। Where you are moving? Call your parents. Call your parents. Call your parents. Utsav. Call your parents. Call your parents. Hello. Hello. Hello.
हाँ बोलिए।
ये देख रहे हैं कि ये लड़का पढ़ नहीं रहा है, घूम फिर रहा है रूम में।
नहीं सर, बैठे हुआ है बेड पर।
उछल को हिल रहा है,
बेड के नीचे हो गया होगा।
देखिए, ध्यान दीजिएगा, ठीक है?
ठीक है सही सर।
Next. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Now who will say dispersal through water? Vidya Bharti, unmute yourself. Vidya Bharti.
Yes, sir.
Dispersal through water.
Coconut or lotus?
Very good, absolutely correct. So what it will be? Coconut and
Lotus.
Okay, coconut and lotus.
Thank you.
Next, by insects. Next to insects, who will say? Aniket Kumar, unmute yourself. Aniket Kumar 5D. Aniket Kumar 5D, unmute yourself. Utsav, again Utsav is saying here and there. Again Utsav is saying here and there. Again you are seeing here and there, Utsav. Tell me. Aniket. Aniket, unmute yourself. Aniket, 5D. Aniket Kumar first, 5D.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. The dispersal through water. Not the dispersal through insects.
Sir, आप
Insects.
Sir, I don't know.
Okay, no problem. You should try to know. Apurv. Apurv, can you tell me?
Sir, I can give answer.
No, I have given chance to Apurv. Huh?
Fruits and grains, sir.
Fruits
Grain,
and-
seeds,
Once again you say.
fruits and grains.
Very good. It is fruits and grain. Okay, it is fruits and grain. Fruits and grain. Okay, I hope it is clear. So now we will come to the textbook questions. Okay, now we will come to the textbook questions. Okay, we will come to textbook questions. Okay, so I'm sharing the screen here and all of you will try to answer it. Okay, all of you will try to answer it. Fill in the blanks. Okay, one by one. You raise your hand.
Sir, I will.
Wait, I will ask.
Did I will say the answer, sir?
Wait, I will ask one by one. I will ask. See, is known as the food factory for the plant. Is known as the food factory for the plant. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Is called the food factory for the plant. I have unmuted all of you. Say. It's called-
Sir, green leaves.
Green leaves.
Green leaves.
Green leaves.
Okay.
Green leaves.
Sir, green leaves.
Green leaves.
Green leaves.
Sir, green leaves. Green leaves.
Leaves.
Green leaves.
Green
are-
leaves.
Okay.
Sir, green leaves.
Okay. Green leaves are called. Okay. Next question. Next question.
I give me answer. Declare.
Next question. Plant life.
Leaves.
Hmm?
No, sir. Leaves.
Dahlia.
Potato.
Sir, dahlia.
Plant life.
Dahlia.
Sir, dahlia.
sir.
Okay.
Dahlia, sir.
Okay. The correct answer is Dahlia.
Sir, Dahlia.
Dahlia.
सर लिख रहे हैं
Raw material for photosynthesis.
Next are the raw material for photosynthesis.
कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर
Sir, carbon dioxide and water.
कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर सर दूसरा का गलत है
Carbon dioxide and water.
सर नंबर 2 गलत
Sir,
है
carbon dioxide and water.
सर नंबर 2 गलत है DHLIN होगा सर ये नहीं होगा
हाँ?
DAHLI होगा सर
Okay. Next is the a small hole present in seed.
Micropyle.
Micropyle. Okay.
Micropyle
Micropyle is the a small hole present in the seed. Now, will you tell what is function of micropyle?
seed dispersal
Wait. What is function of micropyle? Wait. Now, down your hand, everybody. Now, what is function of micropyle? Okay. What is function of micropyle? Lower your hand, everybody. And now, if you know, then raise your hand. What is function of micropyle? Who will answer? What is function of micropyle? Raise your hand. Only one student, two students. Apurva and Ansika, Om Sarkar. Anybody else? Okay. So what is function of micropyle? Let me see the other student. I will ask with the other student. Manya, unmute yourself. Manya, unmute yourself. What is function of micropyle? What is function of micropyle? Manya, what is function of micropyle? Manya and Abhinav. If you can hear me, Manya and Abhinav, you can hear me? You cannot hear. Okay. Next, I will ask with the Pragyan Naman. There is a boy, Pragyan Naman. Manya, I cannot hear you. You unmute yourself. Pragyan Naman, unmute yourself. Pragyan Naman, unmute yourself. Pragyan Naman, unmute yourself. Pragyan Naman,
Yes, sir.
can you hear me? What is function of micropyle?
Yes, sir.
बताओ, what is function of micropyle? What is function of micropyle? Micropyle क्या होता है जरा बताओ?
यही ना होता है.
बताओ.
The small hole present in seed is called micropyle.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. बोलते नहीं हो, बोलना चाहिए ना बीच बीच में. ओके, बीच कुछ कभी जवाब देना चाहिए. यू शुड बी पार्टिसिपेटिव. ओके. नेक्स्ट इट इज नंदनी. समबडी नंदनी. नंदनी, अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. Nandani, unmute yourself and start your video also. And Nandani, okay. Anjali Kumari, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is micropyle?
Micropyle is a small hole present on the present.
Okay, very good.
It is called micropyle.
Very good. So everybody must remember it. What is micropyle? Okay. So let's move to the next question. Okay. Let's move to the next question. And I am unmuting. Let's move to the movement of seed from one place to other place. This is called what? This is called नैतिक कुमार 20 बार आ रहा है, 20 बार जा रहा है. इसको हम भगा देंगे. अब कल से ज्वाइन नहीं करने देंगे. ये बार बार आ रहा है, बार बार जा रहा है. मेरे पास रिकॉर्डिंग है. Movement of seed from one part to other part. This is called seed dispersal. This is called seed dispersal. Okay, seed dispersal. Okay, this is called seed dispersal. I hope it is clear to you. Okay, this is called. Now let's match these questions. Okay, now a type of reproduction without seed. What it is called? Type of reproduction which is without the seed. What it is called? The reproduction which happens without the seed. This is called vegetative reproduction. Okay, this is called vegetative reproduction. The green pigment present in the leaf. This is called chlorophyll. Okay, fruit that does not bear seed. The fruit which does not bear seed. And then is reproduction through the leaf. In the reproduction through the leaf, it is bryophyllum, and dispersal of seed through cracking. It is lady finger, P and lady finger. Okay, P and lady finger, and fruit that doesn't bear the seed is the banana. Okay, it is banana. Then we have got, then we will have the next question, the small part, a small now. If you wish, it is 3 minutes left. We will discuss it tomorrow. Okay, we will discuss it tomorrow. Okay. Meanwhile, if you have any problem in this chapter, you will let me know. Okay. If you have any problem, you raise your hand. You raise your hand. कुछ लोग जो है बार बार आता जाता रहता है, ये गलत है. मीटिंग लॉक कर देंगे. You won't be able to enter in the class. Okay. You won't be allowed to enter. Rishi Sinha, who is Rishi Sinha? Come on the screen. Rishi Sinha. Come on the screen. ये लड़का कहाँ है? Rishi Sinha. Come on the screen. Rishi, switch on your camera. Switch on your camera, Rishi. Ayush Kumar, switch on your camera. Okay. Okay. I hope. Do you have any problem, Ansika? You have raised your hand. Why? Tell me, Ansika. Tell me, Ansika.
Sir,
हाँ.
sir,
हाँ.
सर जो रोज होता है
हाँ होता है.
उससे तो स्टेम कटिंग पता चल गया सर,
क्या?
पर ये रोज कितनी सर और क्या क्या है जो अंडरग्राउंड स्टेम से पैदा होता है?
मनी प्लांट देखी हो घर में? मनी प्लांट का लगाई हो प्लांट अपने घर में?
हाँ
मनी प्लांट भी होता है ना.
सर, पर हम कभी स्टेम कटिंग करके नहीं लगाए हैं.
तो लगा कर देख लेना. ठीक है, लगा कर देख लो. अच्छा, नाउ यू हैव, तुम्हारे घर में कौन कौन सा प्लांट है?
सर बनाना है, जिंजर है, पोटैटो है.
तुम्हारे घर में पोटैटो भी है? अच्छा चलो.
नहीं.
तो तुम्हारे, डू यू हैव किचन गार्डन इन योर होम?
व्हाट सर?
डू यू हैव गार्डन इन योर होम?
यस सर.
So can you move to the garden just now with your mobile? I think it is raining. I think it is raining. Okay. So tomorrow the student, okay, you can move in the ground. If you can move in the ground, you can if you can move in your garden, you can go there and you can see. Okay. Okay.
Okay sir.
Okay, you can see, you can notice. Okay. उड़हुल होगा ना, उड़हुल का फूल जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं हेलियंथ, जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं उड़हुल के फूल को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? हाँ, हिबिस्कस. हिबिस्कस. Okay, that also